video, we are going to make our first Hello World Bash script. First, you need to start with an editor, and I'm going to use Nano. Nano minus W. And W is to disable line wrapping. You don't want the editor to cut the lines. And then the name of your script. So Hello World, and normally you put an SH standing for shell. It doesn't matter. You don't need to have .sh. You can just leave it like this, or call it bash or script or anything. Quite flexible. sh. That's pretty common to do. Then press enter. The first line that all bash script needs is something called shebang. Shebang is written like this. And you have a reference to the bash, the born again shell that you're going to use. It could also be other shells you could use, but the most common one is the bash. And it's called shebang because this is a shell, so there you have the word she, and the second one is an exclamation mark, which is sometimes used in slang. It's called bang. So shebang, funny word. Next, now we need to have a command. The command is as follow: echo. Then we need this character, and then we can say hello world, where is my first bash script. Good. Sometimes you can do this, but it's not really necessary. But let's keep it. Now we're done. Now we save it. Control O. Then the file name to write, of course, the same. Press enter, and then we do Control X. Now, if I do an ls, I have the script here. I can list the content by using cut. So now let me try to run it. So in order to run a script, you use first dot. Dot means this directory, and then you have to have a /, and then the name of the script. Hello world.sh. This is going to fail. And it says permission denied. And permission denied means that you're trying to run a script which is actually not runnable. If I do an ls minus ll al hello world, you can see that it's the owner, which is root, can read and write. The group, which is also root, can only read, and everyone else can only read. We need to have an executable bit. And the simple way of doing this is doing a change modus. Then I am root, so I need to give myself an executable. I do it by this 755. Don't think about it. If you don't know what it means, don't think about it. It just makes the script executable. I'll make another video later on and explaining this one. And then hello world. Now I just type the 3 characters, and I use tab to get the tab completion. Enter. Okay, no message, no nothing. Okay, but anyway, let's do an ls. And now you can see it came an X here. An X means executable. So now the owner, it can execute it, the group can execute it, and everyone else can also execute it. So let's try again. /hello world, and press enter, and it echoes out the line that I made in the script. So bash scripts are very useful, obviously. They can be used for repetitive tasks, to fix things. Instead of then, let's say that you have something you do very often, instead of running the commands by your hand in the terminal, you can save all the commands in a bash script and run it whenever you need to run it, or you can put it in cron, so it will run every night or something like this. I can show you one bash script. If I go to etc, and if I do a cut cron tab, inside here you see I have a script called dbbacker. So let me take this up in Nano. The root script Nano. And if I go in here, you can see I have a lot of commands. It's a for loop. I have some move commands, and I make something executable, and then I'm running it, and I'm using a git commit to save the changes. And this one runs every night. It's actually just make a backup of the databases, the MySQL database. Okay, so that was the Hello World script, the first one. I'll be making more videos with how to continue to work with bash scripts. Okay, thank you.